Hey guys, welcome to Mama Leah TV, and today in this video we are going to do unboxing a special gift from our special friend. So I'm with my son and we will do the unboxing together, so let's get started. Okay guys, so we already opened the box and let's see what's inside.
Right.
Very excited.
Yeah. What the side?
Sit down.
What the side?
Excited siya, promise. He's very excited.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. I'm so nervous.
Me too. I'm so nervous.
T-shirts.
Yeah.
T-shirts.
What the shirt?
Okay, it's Hollister T-shirts. Wow. Okay. Oh, thank you so much.
I think this is inside the radio set of Mario.
Okay, so but first, I wanted to say thank you for our special friend who gave us this one. Thank you so much. And actually, I'm so speechless. Speechless ako. So, ayun. Salamat. Maraming salamat. I don't know if do I deserve this? Diba pa? Speechless ako nung dumating dito. Talagang, wala. Very, very happy. At the same time, very blessed. And kinakabahan. But anyway, thank you so much. Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po sa nagbigay nito. Thank you so much. Ayan, so let's move on. Ayan, so t-shirt guys, Hollister t-shirts.
Mama.
Oh, I like this kind of t-shirt. It's good for summer. Okay, and then okay. Here, another Hollister t-shirts. And what's that? Oh, it's so cute. Wait, let's take it one by one. Look. Okay. How cute. Winter slippers. Wow, very nice.
It's now winter, right?
Yeah. Wow. Okay. And there's a pink.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is for Mama. It's cute. Wow. And I think this is for you.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
I like the pink.
Okay.
Put the white over here.
Oh, tsaka my bag. Oh my gosh. Oh my, Kate Spade bag. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, naiyak ako. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's a lotion.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
Oh my gosh.
Look
at this.
What's that? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you, maraming salamat po. Oh my goodness. Okay, and Victoria's Secret Petal Rave. Wow.
Oh my.
May isa pa. Toasted Holy. Oh, Bath and Body Works. So thank you. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. I don't know, like honestly, hindi ko alam kung ano, like, do I deserve this? Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, t-shirt. Oh my gosh, Mama Leah TV. Oh my goodness, thank you. So, ayan, ginawa siya po yung gumawa ng design na ito. Kinukulit ko siya. Ayan, gawan mo ako ng design ng t-shirt. So, 'di ba, napagbinyagan ako ng oh my gosh ni Japper Sniper. So, oh my gosh na. O, 'di ba? Well, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. And there's
One more.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Mama Leah TV. Ayan, uniform ko to sa mga live streaming ko, promise.
Oh my God.
Ang ganda, ang cute. Look, shoot. It's shoes? Ang ganda, guys.
A shoe!
Oh, that's a shoes. Wow.
This is good.
This is cool, yeah? Well, thank you for my big boy. Thank you so much. What do you want to say to our special friend?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Oh!
Wow.
Wow.
How about this one? Can we check? Oh. Wow.
Wow.
Nice.
Husband.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Come on, look at here.
I know. Well, thank
I want to
you.
open it.
It's like a pajama. I think it's pajama. Yeah, it's pajama. Well, thank you so much. And
Wow.
wow. It's pajama too.
And this one too.
Oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh. Really, oh my gosh.
This is the last one.
Mama, sweater.
Mama, that's one. That's the one.
Oh my gosh.
Mama, look at here.
Oh my, oh my.
Finally, the Hot Wheels. I want to take a Hot Wheel.
Okay, so, okay. This is the most exciting part for him. Hot Wheels! Are you happy? What do you want to say?
Thank you.
You should face in the camera.
Thank you.
Are you happy? Yeah. Thank you so much.
How to open? Oh.
Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness.
I want to open.
You wanna open it? Okay. Oh my gosh. So gusto ko talagang magpasalamat. So maraming salamat po sa special friend na nagbigay nito. Very. Ayan. Happy. Very happy. We're very happy. Grabe, ang dami. Thank you. Ayan. So, ayun na nga. May uniform na ako, diba? Ayan, nasa na yun? Ayan, may uniform na ako, guys. Ayun. May uniform na ako sa aking live streaming na. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Are you happy? Yeah, so thank you so much po. Ayan, lagay mo muna natin dito. Tapos i-highlights natin yung oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Ayan.
This is a lot of Hot Wheels.
So yan na guys, yan po yung unboxing namin for today na bigay po sa aming special friend. And thank you so much for watching po, and thank you so much po sa blessings na ibinahagi niyo sa family ko at sa akin. Maraming salamat, and God bless you more. Thank you so much na you like it. It's so cute. Ayan. Sinukat na yung sleep. It's soft. Fluffy. So, maraming salamat po. As in, never ending ang papasalamat po sa special friend namin na naibigay nito. Thank you so much. More blessings to come. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa blessings na binigay niyo sa amin at saka sa family ko. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. And yeah, stay connected and let's just enjoy life here in YouTube world. Thank you so much. And sa inyo din guys, sa mga nanonood ngayon, maraming salamat. Ayan, may nag-enjoy na dito. Ayan, nag-enjoy na siya. Ayan. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys on our next video. Bye!
Mama.
Wow!
Oh. This is the
Yeah.
one. This is one. Mama.
It's very cool. Wow.
Nippon これ。日本ってこいつ。
おー、すごい。
3キロ。ママ、look at this.